Today we will be going over the 8 forms of wastes, aka downtime, here at Viking Plastics. The injection molding industry thrives on efficiency. Every wasted minute, resource, or movement can eat away at profits. Here are the 8 wastes and how they can negatively affect our company. D is for defects. Defects are any product that doesn't reach Viking Plastics quality and standards. O for overproduction. Overproduction is often the start of the waste process, producing more than what is necessary. W for waiting. A stop in a process that leads to somebody waiting too long.
Four hours later.
N stands for non-value added processes. A process that isn't adding any overall value to the good or service the customer wants. T for transportation. Instead of taking one box at a time, you can use equipment around you like a dolly, pallet jack, or forklift. I is for inventory. Anything that is overproduced or overpurchased. M for motion. Inefficient movement within a work cell or operation that can be reduced or solved. E is for employee talent. Utilizing the talent of our employees is very important at Viking Plastics, making sure everyone gets to showcase their talent in their profession. Not utilizing all the talent of our team is considered a waste. By identifying and eliminating these wastes, we can streamline production, reduce costs, and improve overall efficiency. Make sure to remember downtime.